Let's talk about Eddington's grill brush with brass bristles. Grill brush with brass bristles. Remove stubborn dirt and grease. Perfect for cleaning the barbecue or cooker. 6 cm x 8 cm. Clean the bristles thoroughly after each use. This brush is really good. I have bought several other brushes for the cleaning of my cast iron pans, but they never really did the job very well. This is the brush that I should have bought from the beginning, as it cleans all the burnt bits off beautifully. This was bought to keep the iron pan clean, however the instructions of the pan warns against this, so kept just to keep the oven trays clean. This was great to start with, however then the brass started to fold over, and then the wood quickly split, so within 3 months was in the bin. Best tool I have found for shifting baked in food debris, excellent on grill trays and also on Pyrex ovenware, requires elbow grease though good quality item recommended.